Hello, welcome to Giordano's Garage. It's Andrew here. I hope you're having an awesome day. I'm going to be doing some spring maintenance on this Toro Recycler 22-inch with a Honda engine. I'm not going to take the blade off, but what I'm going to do is replace the spark plug, replace the air filter, and change the oil. I'm going to take the blade off in another video because I like to cut my yard once or twice with the old blade just in case there's any sticks or anything to run over that I haven't picked up. But I hope that if you find this video helpful, you will subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment down below. And with that, let's get started. I'll show you the model number first, which is in the back on this sticker, if it wants to focus for us. So it's 20379. And we'll come back to the front of the mower. And the first thing we'll change is the easy parts, the air filter. So this is the air filter here. The part number is 17211-Z8B-901. Open the plastic. And that'll be on the left side of the mower when you're standing behind. It's this plastic container is where the air filter is. It's got these two notches on the top. You'll see. And what you do, you just press down on them and then the cover will come off. So then we're left with our air filter underneath, which as you can see is pretty gross. And a lot of times, if it's not too bad, you can just try to bang out some of the old filth. But I'm gonna be putting a new one on for us, so we just slide it in. And then to put the cover back on, we have these little notches that we'll put around the bars at the bottom. Put it up, and we'll put the little locking mechanism back on. Next, we'll come to the front of the mower again, and this is where your spark plug is located. So the boot is right here in the very center above the overhead valves. You'll pull that off, and then we need to get our ratchet. And then we'll put our ratchet on the spark plug, and it's a 20 millimeter on this mower. And then we'll just crack it open, lefty loosey. This is our old spark plug. I think I've had this in for 3 seasons now. I think I got this mower in 2019. And we'll get our new spark plug, which is going to be right here, and the part number is 98079-55846. I hand screw this in just to make sure we're not cross-threading, because if that happens, you will not be getting it out of your engine. And then we'll get our sockets again, put it back, and then we'll tighten that. And then we'll put the spark plug back on. And now we are going to change the oil, and that'll be on the right side of the mower when you are standing behind. So I'm gonna take the shield off of the chute of the mower, because what we're gonna have to do is turn this on its side to drain the oil. And so, and I want to get as much of the junk off as I can, so I have some carb spray here. And then I'll just take a paper towel and clean as much of this grass and old stuff off as I can. And then I'll undo the little oil cap, and we can see how and when we are changing the oil, it's a good practice to run your engine for a few minutes just to warm up the oil. That way it'll come out of the engine a lot faster. So if you give me a moment. Alright, now that we've warmed up our engine, we're gonna put a container to catch our oil, and then we'll take the gas cap off of the gas cap out of the fill plug, and then now all we have to do is turn the mower on its side. And I like to put the pan under it while I'm doing that, and then you'll just let it drain. Now that the oil has finished draining, you can put the mower back upright. We'll just that a little bit, and we'll put some good oil in. And if you look it up online, you will see that this lawnmower wants SAE 30, and we'll stick our funnel in to the fill plug just because it's easier. And it wants SAE 30, and you need 18 ounces. So I have this Briggs & Stratton SAE 30 18 ounce container of oil. So we'll open this. Now, once we get the container of oil open, we will pour it into the spout. Give it some time to feed into the engine. There we go. And then we'll let it sit in the engine. We'll let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes so it settles properly. And we are going to put the fill cap back on. Yeah, so you'll let the oil sit for about 3 to 5 minutes just to settle, and then you can start your mower to get the oil running through the engine. That is the spring maintenance. The other thing you can do is take the carburetor off and clean it, which is behind the air filter, and I'll have that linked to in another video in the top right. But if you stayed this long, I hope that you really enjoyed the video, and you'll consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and leaving a comment down below. Any feedback or things I can do better, I really appreciate it. But I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the day, and I will see you next time. Bye.